what? Guess what, guys? I have something so exciting to share with you guys. It is the first luxury unboxing of 2024. Yes, I have it right here. We're gonna unbox this together. And this is an early birthday gift. So I couldn't wait, you guys. I wanted to wait and do it with a birthday haul. I don't even know if I'm gonna have a birthday haul. So heck, let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up right now because I can't wait. All right, I'll go ahead and explain a little bit. So this is a bag, and yes, it's a bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, it's my birthday bag. I ordered it and I was gonna get it for myself. All right, so I told Keith about it and he said, just let me pay for it. And I was like, okay. I mean, who am I to argue with that, right? So he paid for it. It's technically from Keith. It was supposed to be my bag, birthday bag from me to me, but hey, whatever. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Like I said, I don't really have plans yet for my birthday. It is coming up. And I'm always super excited about National Yota Day. That's what we call my birthday around here. National Yota Day. And he asked me the other day, what would you like to do for your birthday? And I would really like to go to Phipps Plaza, go shopping, and really just look around because I don't live near luxury stores, so it's always a big deal. So maybe we'll go to Atlanta, spend the night, go shopping. Usually we shop that evening, shop again the next day, and just, you know, just enjoy a weekend away. That's kind of what I want to do. But you guys, I have to open this. There was just no way that I could wait any longer. And yes, I've bought a lot of Coach this year, so it's almost May. May the 8th is my birthday, but nothing luxury so far. So, do you see a peek right there in the corner? What could it be, you ask? What could it be? What could it be? Right, it's Louis Vuitton. Now, I know that I said I want to venture out and get other brands and get other things, but this is something that I haven't ever had before. It's something that I've wanted and I've looked at them, but when it came out in this type of colorway in this collection, I knew it was for me. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys. There's just something about this combination, this orange box and the red ribbon that makes me so happy. So this is a bag that I had been looking at. I actually ordered it from Becca. Hi, Becca, if you're watching. She's the best SA around. And this was a pre-order, so I had to wait a little while for it, but that's okay, because like I said, it was my birthday. But I have to open it, you guys. I just have to. And so my last video, I told you guys the good news about Keith. Yes, he's going to have surgery, but he doesn't have cancer. We've had a lot to celebrate around here, so why not open up this bag early, a little bit early? So that's what we're gonna do. So here it is, right there. Oh, and I smell so, oh my gosh, Becca never disappoints me. She's always sending me fabulous samples. Oh my goodness, she sent me a bunch of samples. Thank you, Becca. I love her. I appreciate her. She is just the best. Wow. So I got my Atropay Revs, my all-time favorite. Spell on You. I love that. Oh my goodness. Imagination. Atropay Revs. She knows. And some more Imagination. Thank you, Becca. Love it. All right. So I'm going to share this with you. Let me get it out. Now, does anybody have any guesses? It's different, yet not so different. I don't know really how to explain it, but I'll just go ahead and show it to you. Oh my gosh. Oh my, okay. I need a moment. I need a moment. You guys, this is the cutest. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest Speedy 20. So I have the trifecta of the Speedy 25s. You guys, I always wanted a Speedy 20. And when I saw this collection, I fell in love. You guys, I had to turn the camera off and just look at it. So this is from the Spring Nautical collection, and I just felt like I wanted something different because I don't have anything in this large print other than my On The Go, but it's in the monogram in reverse. But this is navy, and it looks on the monitor like it's really showing up the way it truly is. See that navy? I wanted this for spring and summer. I love the Speedy. It's probably my favorite, probably my all-time favorite bag that Louis Vuitton has come out with. Plus, it's just iconic. I love the fact that the zipper comes down to the side. It is the bandouliere. Now, normally I don't buy a Speedy bandouliere. And so in here is the strap. But this being a smaller bag, and it's navy on the inside, this being a smaller bag, I can wear this crossbody. This is the cutest bag I've ever seen in my life. And the fact that it's refreshing because, I mean, I love monogram, you guys. I won't lie. I'm a huge monogram girl. And I could have 100 monogram bags, and you might think they all look the same, but to me, they're all special. But this is so different. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. I've been looking at the wallet. I've turned into a matchy-matchy girl. I don't know what's going on with me, you guys. But I might need the wallet to go with it because you know that I don't buy a lot of luxury wallets and SLGs. I just did my collection for you guys. Now here is the strap, and I love the strap because it also has chain. So it is adjustable. Okay, wait. Okay, so it's adjustable. I'll have to fix the strap according to, you know, I'm not 5'1" and petite. I would say I'm more average size and 5'3". So, but I love the fact that it has the chain, and then I will adjust it accordingly. But I will also probably carry it handheld a lot, but I can use this one. Crossbody. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is just the prettiest bag. Oh my gosh, such a great piece to add to my collection. Totally different. I am trying to venture out a bit and do things a little different because I've waited this long this year to get a luxury handbag. And wow, I'm glad this is the choice that I made, you guys. There are some other bags I've been looking at that are different, but you know, Louis Vuitton has my heart. Candy, you and I are the same. Sweet love for LV. She's just like me. We both are monogram girls. We're Louis Vuitton girls at heart. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. It's even cute with what I have on. Now, I would wear this. This is just a little, just like a little kimono that ties. I would wear this together, but that's me. I'm kind of eclectic. I don't have to be matchy-matchy, but suddenly I've been wanting to match up my wallets. But anyway, look how beautiful. Absolutely thrilled. I need to come back next week and do a what fits. I'm sure there's lots of what fits videos with Speedy 20s because that's not really a new thing, but it's a new thing for me. I've never had a Speedy 20. Oh, and I'm so glad that I got this one. So, wow. So, like I said, I ordered it, pre-ordered it from Becca, and I think it took about maybe a month before she shipped it to me, and it was well worth the wait. So, I was going to get this for myself. It was going to be my birthday gift from me to me, and I just told Keith, I said, I just ordered my birthday bag. He said, really? I didn't know your birthday bag was in March. I think it was the 1st of March. I said, no, I mean, I pre-ordered it. And he's like, oh, really? Well, here, let me just pay for it. So he paid me back. And I was like, oh, how sweet. Thank you. So anyway, you guys, I, in past years, have done like a birthday haul. But like I said, I have no idea if Keith will get me anything else. I don't even care. I don't expect anything. I might pick up a couple items for myself. I don't know yet. I I'm just so happy with this. This is enough. And I also love the strap because it does have the chain detail on it, a little bit different. And I think that it's perfect to wear crossbody. So this is my newest acquisition to my handbag family. And I could not be more thrilled. You guys, I just adjusted it to my medium frame and 5'3" height. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. Oh my goodness, this would be so cute with a pair of white shorts or just an all white little outfit. Now you might think this clashes. I kind of think it's cute, but anyway, here it is. And I think there's one more adjustment. So if you're super tall, maybe you would need an extender because this is the second to the longest adjustment here, but it's perfect for me. I like it right here. It could even go on the very longest one, I think. Let me go ahead and move it down just a bit. Okay, now maybe that's better. Okay, that's the longest length, you guys. So that's the tag hanging there, but perfect. Perfect. I love it. It's beautiful. I love it so much. I'm so happy to have this. It's just really different. Yeah, so this is the first luxury bag of 2024. I couldn't be happier. I'm absolutely thrilled. I think it suits me so well. I love navy, you guys. I have a navy Chanel bag, but this is just one of two. So I definitely needed another navy bag. I just love the little size of it. And I'm gonna come back and, you know, do what fits. Yeah, talk about my first impressions. Oh my gosh, happy birthday to me. Anyway, guys, so this is my birthday bag, my official birthday bag, and I couldn't be happier. I'm gonna sit it back here so you can look at it. I will probably use this strap probably more than I even realize, but I feel like on the weekends, I would probably use it as a top handle. It's so cute. I love the Speedy 20, my very first Speedy 20. What do you guys think about it? Do you like it? Have you checked out the nautical collection? There are other things within the nautical collection that I have looked at that I would love to have, but I am trying to, you know, be very, very careful about what I choose when it comes to luxury handbags. So it wasn't really a bad price when it comes to Louis Vuitton. So check out the website. I absolutely love it. You guys, I could not be more thrilled. So that's really all. I just wanted to come on here and do a very quick unboxing. I just couldn't take it anymore. I thought maybe I'll give it another week. But you guys, patience is not my virtue. It's not my best virtue at all. But wow, I'm gonna carry this tomorrow. I've got to go somewhere tomorrow and I'm gonna carry it. So yeah, beautiful. All right, guys, I will be back in a few days. I will do a thorough review on this bag, and I also have more things coming. Like I have a try-on video of some clothing that a company sent me. So yeah, I'll be doing a try-on video very soon. So that's coming up. I have a lot of other fun things planned. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I would love you so much. Be a part of my little fam jam here on YotaStyle. If you like all things luxury, if you like all things contemporary, beautiful contemporary bags, mostly Coach. If you like boho, if you like art, which I don't do a lot of art, but I am an artist. But anyway, guys, just subscribe because you never know what might happen here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here for me. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.